Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus.
Oh yeah.
As you see, the spec list was pretty impressive, but with Samsung Galaxy flagship devices, they normally come pretty specced out and feature rich. So here is my S10 Plus. It was delivered a few days ago, and I would have to say, looking at the packaging, it's pretty bland to me, but I'll go into that a little bit later. On the left side, you have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. On the top, it's nothing, it's bare. And also there's nothing on the right hand side of the box. On the back, it just has the contents of the package. So here's my trusty dusty, always there for me, unboxing knife. So there's only one sticker that I need to worry about. And now we can finally check the device out. And there it is. That is the S10 Plus. And picking it up, it is fairly light. It's very light. Next up is the white charging brick. It's adaptive fast charging with Samsung branding on the top. Next up, we have the OTG adapter, Samsung branding. It is type C. This will allow for data transfer. In this little cardboard box, we have the charging cable. This cable is type C. Nothing too special about this cable. It's white. Maybe because of the color that I got. And here we have the AKG earbuds, which are included in the package. Now this package is a little different. Normally they have a piece of plastic wrapped around the earbuds. So opening up the package, we see it is nicely packaged. And I did have to cut some of this out because the struggle was real trying to get them out of there. Here's a close look at the earbuds, AKG branding. And let's see. We have extra earbud tips. The phone maintains to have the headphone jack. What a braided cable. Inside the top of the box, inside the lid, they hid the SIM ejection tool. And then inside of this little package, you have your quick start guide, terms and conditions, and all of that good stuff. Here is everything that you get inside of the package. And now we can take a look at the phone. Let's take the plastic off. And wow, this is a very attractive looking phone. It is rather light, but the phone looks good. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the device. To the right, you have your speaker, you have the mic, the Type-C port, and your headphone jack. Check. Now to the right of the device, way up here at the top, you have the power button. On the top of the device, you have another microphone, and then you have the tray for your SD card and your SIM card. Now to the left of the device, your up and down volume keys and the Bixby button, which can be remapped. So we'll check that out later on. And the back of the device, you see the 3 cameras. You also have a flash, and to the right of the flash, I believe that's some type of sensor, like your heart sensor or O2 sensor, something like that. So they kept that on. Here's the Moto G7 next to the S10 Plus. I'm into getting white devices. Which one did you guys like? So booting up the phone, and I'm staring at the cameras on the front. That's a little different for me. Let's see how much it bothers me.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Well then, let's go then. So that's a nice little greeting, I guess. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and do the face recognition and add our fingerprints and PIN. Here's a little bit of information about the face recognition. We'll continue. I'll put in my PIN. That's what I normally do. Okay, so here it's saying, are you wearing glasses right now? No, I don't normally wear glasses, so hey, I'll hit continue, and it's registering my face. Not sure how secure that is. There's no iris scan anymore. Did you guys notice that? So we'll leave all those toggled on, and quickly I'm on the toggle of settings, and I want to try the wireless power share. This reminds me of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro reverse wireless charging. Here's my Note 9. So as you heard, it is charging. As you see there, device connected, charging the connected device. The time is all off as I see, so we'll have to fix that once I put the SIM in. So it's charging the Note 9, but I want to know what else can it actually charge. What about my Galaxy Watch? When they were doing the conference, the unveiling, they just had the new watch, but can it charge my current watch? Yes, it does. So of course I have to hold it like this because of the watch band that I have on, but that's good to know. Now, just out of curiosity, will it charge my Apple Watch? I don't see anything happening. That would be, let's see, moving it around. I'm not getting anything. Well, it's worth trying. So the wireless power share seems cool. We'll have to test it out. But how do you guys like my lock screen? Talk about customization. So let's try out the fingerprint sensor. To me, it seems rather slow. And I don't know if this is going to be a learning thing. But that's actually slow. Maybe the animations is what is making it kind of slow. Let's try the face unlock. The face unlock is very fast. I would definitely say I would prefer the face unlock because it's way faster. It's pretty quick and it seems very accurate. But now let's go ahead and take a look at viewing angles when watching videos on the device. Let's go ahead and have a look. There are no issues with viewing angles here, as you see. Let's go ahead and take the video to full screen. Does the two cameras bother you on the front? How do you guys feel about that? I'm going to say after a while, I'll probably get used to the cameras on the front, but the video itself, because the screen is so big, is a nice touch. So here's the camera app, and you see these three little icons will get you zoomed in, will get you zoomed out, and get you somewhere in the middle. But I was having some issues with my finger being in the way. As you see, you have to make sure you get your hands out of the way before snapping the picture. But the time that it takes from when I press the button to when the camera actually took the picture is a decent time. Here is the picture. What do you guys think? So here is a sample of low light video. Take a look.
Wow. I know. Did we get down?
Surprise! The audio is really clear, really loud, and really good. Now remember earlier in the beginning of this video, I said I felt that the packaging of the S10 Plus was pretty bland. Now taking a look at some of the devices that I have, that's kind of why I said that. If you just go ahead and, alright, let's go ahead and take a look at this. It just looks bland and just blah. Some of the other packaging on some of these other devices is better than that. Now the only thing that doesn't beat the S10 Plus would be this unattractive looking doogie box. It's just a cardboard box. But other than that, that's how I feel how the S10 Plus box looks. It's it's too bland for me, for my liking. But again, it's just a box. But if I'm being picky, I'm going to say I don't really care for the packaging this time, especially when you have better packaging from Samsung. I mean, look at the Note 8. Look at the Note 9. I mean, even the Motorola looks better than just this raggedy looking S10 Plus. But that's my rant about the packaging. I'll have to do some testing and real life use of the device. But I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And I want everyone to have a spectacular day. Until next time, later.